Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Precious Regala. I am 33 years old. I was born in December 13, 1991. I am from Caloocan City. I have two children. They are the age of 15 and 16. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have an abroad experience in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. I've been there to take care of the children and clean the house. I finished my contract there. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper. I am looking forward to be your helper as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.